Thank you for joining us for another edition of our Word document tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to add bullets and to use the alignment. Okay, so let's get started by opening our document that we recently saved on our desktop. Okay, so let's highlight the area. Home. These are for the bullets. Now we can use different, there's a variety of bullets that you can use. Pick and choose any one that you'd like. I'm just going to use the original. You can also do numbering, alphabets, or the Roman numerals. Okay, and now to do the alignment. Home. You have 4 tabs for the alignment. You get the left justified, the center, right justified, or just regular paragraph. You can play around with it, see whichever one suits you best, whichever one you like. I'm just going to stay with the original, centered, justified all the way to the right. Okay, let's go ahead and save this. And the next tutorial we're going to have is going to be spelling, grammar check, and we're going to learn how to use a thesaurus as well. Okay, and again, if you need help with any of this, you're more than welcome to come into the library. We do offer a 30-minute one-on-one library, reserve a librarian that we're doing so that we can help you learn how to use the computer a bit more. Just the basic stuff. So if you need that, just please give us a call and make an appointment. Thank you.